In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you a couple different methods for the downloads that you have just purchased. Thank you for the purchase, and I hope you enjoy the video. I purchased an earring kit, and it came with everything that you need to make these earrings. Well, this MDF is 1.75 inches. These are the earring blanks. Please note that they do have protective plastic on both sides, and that does need to be removed. And as you can see from the tape measure, they come in right around that 1.75 inches. And so I did make a template for you so that they go slightly larger than the earring, because when you put them on, you want your earring blank not to have any white exposed, so they're slightly larger. This is what the Word document download looks like. This is that size that I showed you in the previous slide. So if you print this Word document, it should be just the right size for those 1.75 earring blanks. You can see that I was able to get 2 full sets of images on here. So that means this is for both the front and the back of the earring on this one document. I cut the 2 sets apart, and then as you can see on the right, I'm sublimating on the first side. I have also included just the plain PNG so that you can pull that into any document and resize it as you would like to. I have also included the PDF document so that you can just print it. And again, you can see that it has got both sets, so you only need to print this once for both sides of the earrings. I use 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds when I do MDF, and I do each side separately, so each side for 60 seconds. Again, for the second side, tape them on with heat-resistant tape, line them up the same as they are on the front side, and press again 385 degrees for 60 seconds. Thank you for purchasing from my Etsy store, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.